Trying to choose between the KOIOS 900W Smoothie Blender and the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender? Let me show you how they work so you can decide which is best for you. First, let's have a quick look at their bases. These are very similar heavy-duty bases. The only real differences are that the KOIOS has suction cups on the bottom, and the part where the cup connects to the base is a little simpler, which is a plus for me because occasionally something drips down there and the KOIOS would be much easier to clean than the Ninja. The blades are very similar with 4 points rather than 2 like most blenders, but the Ninja blades have a little higher profile. But does the taller blade translate to a better blended smoothie? I fill each cup with strawberries, mango, protein shake, milk, juice, and chia seeds. I love this smoothie because it's filled with fiber and a good amount of protein to start my morning off right. Plus, there are several great tests with this smoothie. First, can each blender handle the big chunks of frozen fruit? And second, can they cut up the tiny chia seeds and keep the smoothie from being grainy? I push down on the cups to start both blenders. Both start effortlessly, not struggling at all with the fruit. But the strawberries freeze to the top of the KOIOS and require a few taps. They both appear to be fully blended after just 30 seconds. When we open the cups, the smoothies look similar. I think I may have added just a tiny bit more liquid to the Ninja because it's a little thinner, but you can see the tiny black flecks of chia seed parts and no whole seeds in either smoothie. The taste test confirms it. Both have no obvious fruit chunks and fully eviscerated chia seeds. But as I drank these smoothies, I did come across a couple little chunks of fruit in the KOIOS, while the Ninja was perfectly smooth. I don't generally have this issue with the KOIOS though, probably because I usually blend it a little longer. Even after it looks like it should be done, I blend it another 10 to 20 seconds so that everything gets smooth. Another small difference is the lids. The Ninja lid clips closed. It's not a super tight close, and I don't know that I would trust it not to spill, but it's better than the KOIOS lid that doesn't clip down at all. The KOIOS has a little longer spout on the lid though, and that makes drinking a little more comfortable. The Ninja blends smoothies slightly faster, but the KOIOS is just as effective if you give it a few extra seconds. Both blenders handle tough ingredients like frozen fruit and chia seeds, making them great options for anyone who enjoys smoothies. Here are my takeaways. I highly recommend both blenders for their performance and durability. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performing personal blender, you can't go wrong with either the KOIOS 900W Smoothie Blender or the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. I like these both, and I hope you'll like them too.